Nah. Hey, right here. It worked. My mask.
So you just find where you want to cut it. You can use the arrows on the keyboard to go frame by frame. Hit Command B to blade right here and then hit delete. So right here is where I'll have the web effect, so I can cut right here. So now you just need to match the frame. Now I'm gonna find a good spot to cut. Web effect we want to have right as I'm shooting the web. For this one, I actually got this effect by Andreas Him. This video idea was from Andreas Him, and he actually made a free web pack for everybody to use. So he has camera hit regular and then vertical. So we'll use the one with the blur. Come over here to screen, keyframe, frame by frame, the web following your hand. It doesn't have to be perfect since it'll be moving so fast. Right here, I'll put these two together, hit Option G to group it. So now everything you do to this, it will affect both, as you can see, whereas before, if I were to just move this by itself, it wouldn't affect the web. And I hit Command Z to undo what I just did. Hit keyframe, move over a couple frames, and now you can just zoom in and try to match where your next frame is. Alright, so I'll cut right here, so now this matches better. So now you play it back. So go back to your blur, directional, and you're going to want to move this. And you can actually just kind of start it lower and have it move a little bit faster the more it goes. So now right here, we're going to want to add another web effect. So I found these web effects from Footage Crate. I have a paid account. I highly recommend them. So you just go up here, type Spiderman, and you'll see they have all these different effects that you can use. So the one that I use is Footage Crate Spider 4K Webbing Lens Impact 1. So what I did was I scaled this way up, went over to color, exposure, and I just brought them all up so it makes it brighter. And then the other one I used was from the free pack, and so if you come over here to assets, you'll see there's a smoke puff and there's a web wall. Just go over to normal, turn it to screen, turn it up the scale, turn down the opacity, hit keyframe, go over a few frames, and turn up the opacity. So now just stretch out this, and then as you can see, this clip right here ends. And so all you got to do is go right to the edge of it, go up to edit to add freeze frame, and now it will just freeze it where it's at. Click on the full group plane, come up here to clip and hit break apart items, and now you can move them separately again. So now right here, I just did the final web effect. I got this from Footage Crate. It's a clip of the web coming towards the camera. Keyframe, go frame by frame, and it doesn't matter that it cuts off the screen, since what I ended up doing was right as the web hit right here, down to generators, I just took a solid color, turned the color white to match the web. So I turned the opacity down, and right here, once the web goes off a frame, you just draw a circle around it, go over a couple frames, keyframes for here go off or go out of the whole screen, turn up the opacity. Sometimes this thing acts weird where it doesn't appear in the actual frame of your mask. So if you change the field of view, it will match it better. So you just leave that down a little bit and then just turn the feather up all the way. Now your screen gets covered. To get the spider web sounds, you can go online and somewhere like YouTube or somewhere like Footage Crate, type Spiderman, and down here they have a bunch of sounds. I have this one right here, and something that helps out a lot when you're editing is if you color code the different sounds. So blue is main audio. I usually put sound effects for effects, and then you also have music is green. So here's another sound effect. So now it's just a matter of layering the sounds. Add these sounds again. So right here, but this time just use a couple of them.
Nah. Hey, right here. It worked. My mask.